Yes, welcome back everybody. It's that fella from Chesterfield again. Twisted Spire Rider, yes, you know who I am. And I'm out on a dull and dismal morning. As you can guarantee, the weather is rubbish because I'm taking the bike in for its service. It always rains when you have to go to the garage, doesn't it? Yes, I'm taking Guy in for his 6,000 mile service. He's done at this moment 5,649. And what time is it? It's 9:15 and the service is due at 9, so yeah, we're in time. Hi Craig. So we've ridden for about an hour or so now and we're in Newick. We're going to have a bite to eat here. Just going over the river here, look. There's a barge on there that doubles up as a bar. I have been in that in the past. We're going down here to investigate whether there used to be a truck stop here that did breakfast and everything, so I'm going to have a look down here, see if it's still in business. No. There we are, here's the Ranch Cafe, look. Yes, and it's open. How do you park now then? That'll do, won't it? We're in Cafe car park here anyway, aren't we? Well, I've had this little hunter now all day from, what time is it now? It's 20 to 1. I picked it up at 9 o'clock and picked it up from Smalley Cross. We've had a ride out to Newick, had something to eat there and a drink. And then we've come down to, well, South Derbyshire. We're near Swarkston at the moment. We're going to a marina that we've visited before, by the canal. And I'm getting to love it. it's really lightweight. It, it's, yeah, but it's just a fun little bike. It's a budget bike, obviously. You know, when you look at the finish on it and everything, it's spot on, this thing is. I really enjoyed it today. I have. The ride height is lower than my Guerrilla. I'm sat really square, flat-footed on this, and I've got a 29-inch inside leg, so this is the bike for shorter riders, definitely. Yes, if you're not very long in the leg, this is fine for you. The seat, it's not the most comfortable seat, but it's not the most uncomfortable. It's I've been on it all, well, 3 hours or so, and I feel fine. The only thing I would say for me is I could feel like I could need the handlebars just up and back a little bit for me, because I'm not very big, but somebody's just slightly taller with longer arms, I'm sure it won't be a problem for you. Yeah, and I've fallen in love with this little engine. This little 350 engine. I have ridden them before, but if you have one for the day like this, they're really good. They are really good little engines. It's not the fastest engine. It's, yeah, but it's fun. It's just, you know, you can't go overtaking fast cars and things, but it goes amply fast enough for anything you need if you're just tootling about like me. Country lanes, commuting. But don't get me wrong, I've been coming up the dual carriageways 60 mile an hour, no problem. There is a small amount of vibration when you get over 50 that's noticeable, but it's not that noticeable that it would bother you. You know, you can just feel a little tingling in the seat. I can't really tell with the handlebars. Yes, there's a little bit in the handlebar, but it's not tiresome at all. It's okay. And yeah, the exhaust, you've got that duff of the Royal Enfield. It's a lovely little sounding engine, this, especially when it's pulling uphill or when you're accelerating through the gears. And when you're on overrun down hills, it pops and bangs. It's a lovely sounding little bike, this is. So, would I buy one? Yeah, I would. It'd make a great little winter bike for me, this would. Really would. Especially if I stuck some knobblies on it. But yeah, I like the Hunter. So I'll find out how much they cost when I get back to the dealership. I'm not going to go out and buy one, so don't wait for next week's episode to see me on a brand new Hunter, because that won't be happening. But I'm going to find out how much they are, and yeah, I wouldn't mind one. So here we are, we're coming into the Marina now, and it's Mercia Marina, look, Mercia. All shops and things there down to the right. There's the Marina in front of us. We're going round this way. Oh, doing lots of building here. Now then, the cafe was down here somewhere. Aha, it's changed since we were last here. That cafe's gone. They're building on it. All right, so where are we going to go now?
Yes, there is. There is? Yeah. And there's one down here, you know.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, we can drive to it.
Oh, the Willow Tea Rooms. I can see it there. All right, we'll go in there then. Thank you. Oh dear. Look at me Hunter, it's all mucky. Which is a lovely little bike. I do like it. Yes. Just the job. But, oh dear, I've got it mucky. Look at this lot. I'm going to be unpopular when I get back. Yeah. I don't know about this, whether this should have a cover over it. Surely it should. But still. Let's go and have a brew and a chew. Well, that was a fun day out, and we've just got back just as it's starting to rain. I'll be picking my bike up now, Guy, the Guerrilla, after he's had his service, had his valve shims done and everything. And I'll be sorry to hand this little Hunter back in. I've enjoyed it. It's a nice little bike. Right, I'll stick it back where I got it from. And I'll go in and see how we're doing.